Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe this channel. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can implement the concept of encapsulation in Go language. As we know that encapsulation means to declare a private variable and accessing those private variable with a public method. In terms of Java, we can say the method are getter and setter. That means we have a prefix set and get in getter and setter method. Those we called encapsulation. Here we are going to implement the same encapsulation concept using structures and try to learn how we can implement this excellent concept of programming language using Go. So here I have this main.go, and in this folder of encapsulation I create one more module. I say student. So under this module I create one more file, or we can say package. I say student.go, and here I will create a package student. Now I will create a structure here and I say student. Remember that as capital because it will access outside of the package, and I say is struct. Now here I say name of the student as a string, course of student, and we can say roll number, and remember that roll number is in capital letter starting. Why? Because I want this variable and this variable as a private, and I am just creating this variable as a public to initialize the roll number. So I can make this encapsulate. Now I save this and I create, and here I can create module also. I say go mode init, and I say oops, or we can say enc encapsulation. So this module is created. Now here I create a function. I say func, and here I pass s as a student structure, and I say get name, and here I return the string, the name of the variable student name, and I say return the name of the student, and I say here s dot name. Similarly, I create one more function here, and I say set name, and that function will have name as a argument, and I will change this name to name like this, and I remove it from the return type. Similarly, I just copy this and I paste one time, and I say get course. Similarly, I say set course, and get course means course we have to display, set course means course we have to pass, and here I say course, and here I say course. Save this. One more get function I implement here, and I say get roll number, and here we pass roll number, and here I say it should be int. So like that we have generated. Now because of this name is starting from a small letter, that means it's a private. This is also private, it is public. All these variables have their function getter and setter as we require, and now in a main I just create a main function first, and here I just use the structure and I say structure is student dot student structure, and we can pass here roll number as a 1 like this. That is important, remember that. And here we have passed the roll number, and with the help of this object I pass set name. Here I say Rahul Kumar, and same I just set the course also, so I say set course, and here I say BTech, and roll number I have given, so I save this and I use s dot, you can say fmt first, then println, and I say s dot get name like this. We can say name, student name equal to student name equal to this. Similarly I copy, save, and I say student course equal to course, and I say student roll number, then equal to student roll number. Save this, and now I try to execute, go run main, and you run, you see we are able to access this, and we are modifying here, passing a value. Similarly I can do one more thing, I can initialize one more variable, and I say that is roll number is 2, and I can change this information. I say Ravi Kumar, and I can say MTech like this. Save this and try to execute once more. This is S, so we can say S1, 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 similarly S1, S1 and S1, and save this, and now execute once again, and you see we have a roll number 1 and roll number 2. So similarly you have seen that we have achieved the encapsulation, we have created getter and setter methods, we have initialized the value also by passing in get function like this and like this, and we have accessed those value also by using get functions. We have also passed this the roll number also, and with the help of roll number we can identify the information, and similar way we can make this roll number also private and we can access. So I have explained you that how you can use or how you can implement the concept of encapsulation using structure in Go language. I think you have learned something from this video. If you really learn anything, please like, share and subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching this video.